you told your friend you're not okay?
Hi everyone. So just now will be the last step, and we'll be using DataDash application. So basic features and advanced features. As you can see, we have 3 miners here. So it's really important health score to be 100, the fuel tank to be 100% as well, in order to benefit 100% of mining. So as you can see, we have 4 coins here: MXC, DHX, BTC and NFT. So you can mine Bitcoin if you wish. As you can see, we have a map, and here we have uptime 100%, fuel 100%, GPS, altitude, orientation, proximity is not activated at the moment. Here you can add your miner. You can send to wallet your MXC, you can add fuel. And here we have a list of miners. As you can see, all 3 miners are online. So uptime basically is the time of your miner. So for how long your miner was online, that's the idea. The fuel, I'd say how much MXC you have in your miner. So basically, if you're withdrawing your MXC, you're losing your fuel. So here we have health. So basically it's your uptime. We have results here, and we have data. So health, as you can see, on each day how many hours the miner was online. So Tuesday 23.33, yeah, hours. Wednesday 24 hours, Thursday 24, Friday 24 hours, Saturday 20.16 hours. Who knows, maybe because of electricity, because of internet. You have so many reasons. So basically you need to keep your miner online all the time on monthly basis and on yearly basis. So how many hours? Yeah. Now the results, which is the most important for us. As you can see, 872 MXC. So on weekly basis, how much you can make, and the average result 125 per day. So on Sunday 129 MXC, Monday 120, Tuesday 121, Wednesday 127, Thursday 128, Friday 129, and Saturday 113. So depends on your price. If MXC goes down, you'll receive more MXC. So basically you should earn between $10 and $12 per day, and if the value of MXC goes down, you'll receive more. If the value will go up, you'll receive less. So basically the equal will be between $10 and $12. So on monthly basis, on weekly basis you can see, and we have per year, and you can see each month how much we mine with this miner. Data, so basically the internet data what you receiving through the or sending through the M2 Pro miner. So as you can see, we have a map. Here you can add coins or add token, THX, BTC or NFT. A lot of people looking to add Bitcoin as well, because it's very good investment for long run. And here we have the wallet, MXC wallet. Here you can stake, and you have flex stake. So basically, you'll receive per month 0.5%, which is brilliant because MXC goes up in value in time, obviously. And you have up to 24 months stake. So just be aware, if you staking for 24 months, I mean 2 years, that's you can't withdraw your money. So you need to be very, very careful. So we have total mining results, as you can see here. If you have online or offline the miners, just refresh and you'll see again online your miners. And I want to talk about settings as well. So for the security, it's really important to change your password, to have two-factor authentication, to have recovery codes, to have passcode as well, and to enable your Face ID is really, really important. Regarding financial report, you can export, let's say for 2022, and as you can see we have 7 pages here, and you'll find that the date MXC mined, and it will be the price, and it will be in dollars, how much you mine per day. So this miner provides fully passive income, low power. It's just incredible. Just incredible. Okay. And we have data dash application here. Basically we have help, or we have technical support. We have a lot of questions. You have a lot of answers. So you have support, as you can see. You can speak straight away with members of staff. And you have technical support center as well. So for any questions, just fill your details here and the help should be given. So once again, this is our home menu. You should have 100% health score in order to benefit 100% from mining rewards. Just keep in mind this, please. And once again, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment my videos, and see you next time. Thank you.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you